wozala shala wozala sidla ubusha wozona.
The safety you need and the fun you want. There's space for every fun in the Toyota Starlet.
Hello and welcome to Itiski TV. My name is Ngululeko Nkeo. I'm with Ubongani Mnisi, aka Ubobo. I'm also with our videographer, Ukaukhelo Sibata. Thank you very much for joining us. Please make sure you subscribe, you like, and you comment on the videos as well. In the last 24 hours, there was a major storm, a media outbreak, or a media sensationalized story, or a reality of Bafana Bafana players not being able to fly to America. The latest update is that Bafana Bafana players were able to fly, with the exception of maybe the assistant coach. You will see the post as I'm speaking here from the Minister of Sport, that is only the assistant coach and a few other members as well. This, of course, was the story from the weekend. Bafana Bafana drew with Nicaragua on Friday. We spoke about that. And of course, people were not happy about the way that they looked. And then little did we know that across the whole weekend, the story would be that the players were not able to land or fly to the North Americas, that the countries that are going to be hosting the FIFA World Cup. It's not an ideal story. We'll talk about that later on in the show. We'll also talk about the squad itself. What does Uwobo think about the squad? Were there any players that should have been added? And then later, there was a story making rounds, a rumor about Coach Miguel Cardoso. Could he be joining Al Ahly? Doesn't sound right though, because Miguel Cardoso is an African champion, but we'll talk about it. It's worth talking about. Bobzit, thank you very much for joining us. How are you, sir?
I'm good, Mr. Nkeo.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You always look fantastic. Can you tell people what do you do, like, to keep fit? You always look 22 years old.
No, man. Into balekile ukudla kahle, Mr. Nkeo. Exercise, it's simple. Idla kahle nje exercise.
In other words, Mina, I am the opposite of that.
No, mhlawumbe lokudla ukudla. No, but mongabheka we no Tashe in la studio.
We eat too much. What do you eat and what do you not eat?
No, mina Mr. Nkeo ngeke ngakutshela ngathi into engayidli inyama. Angithandi ukudla kunamafutha. Umuntu ama veg nama fruits kahle kahle yabona.
Mangithi mina ungathi una 22. I don't want you to reveal your age if you don't want to the audience.
Yeah.
But you are almost double that age.
Yeah, no, already ngiyadabula Mr. Nkeo ngimdala.
So it's a great compliment to say that you look like you're 22 years old.
No. Ngiyazibongela Mr. Nkeo.
It's an interesting one because you used to play football as well. I want to ask you this because it's very interesting. When you keep fit like this, do you find ukuthi uma ngabe mhlawumbe ungajima for 2 or 3 weeks, can you, njengoba unomzimba engathi usana 22, would you then be able to still maintain ipace ijubane lokuthi, like, because your body looks like that, would you be able to run, or amadolo mhlawumbe wasavuma?
Yeah, no, ungarana Mr. Nkeo. Kuya ngokuthi mhlawumbe umzimba wakho uvumela ukuthi mhlawumbe urane ama case afika kuphi. Mangabe mhlawumbe umuntu epace, sometimes leyo pace iyancipha if you're getting old. So ngicabanga ukuthi kubalekile ukuthi ubheke ukuthi because abanye abantu uthola ukuthi ama injuries, sometimes uthola ukuthi umuntu uhlulwa idolo or ama ankle, kumenza ukuthi kumlimite izinto ezifana nalezo. But ngicabanga ukuthi as long as ibody isavuma, you can still run, Mr. Nkeo.
Yeah. When you had the story Bafana Bobson, ukuthi iplane bezamglenda mara yabuya, what did you think? Because I know a lot of South Africans were unhappy. They were unhappy with Safa. They were unhappy with the team manager. People blame a lot of people when these things happen. What did you think was happening when you heard the story?
Mr. Nkeo, mina ngibe disappointed, but izinto engicabanga ukuthi sizilindele manje ku-national team, because uma ngathi uyabheka kuhlala kunama phutha enzakayo ku-national team. Noma uthi uyabheka ngathi akekho umuntu ekumele ukuthi aqondise izigwegwe after yonke lento leyenzekile. So I was happy when I hear the deputy minister of sports akhuluma ngalento ukuthi no man, lento le yas embarrass kahle kahle singama South African. Ama mistake afana nalawa, I don't think kumele ukuthi bekumele ngabayenzeke. If unabantu aba right kulo msebenzi lo Mr. Nkeo, ngicabanga ukuthi umuntu nomuntu kumele enze umsebenzi wakhe ngendlela right. Sayisho ngendaba ya red card, suspension yakadebza. Sathi no man, yes we can blame abanye abantu, but kunabantu ababhekane nalo msebenzi. Do your job Mr. Nkeo. I think labantu abafana nalabo benza imisebenzi engasiyo yabo. That is why you forget ukuthi wenze umsebenzi wakho ngendlela right. If mhlambe or uya overloaded ngomsebenzi ugcina wenza amaphutha afana nala, but if ubhekane nawo lo msebenzi lo Mr Nkeho ngicabanga ukuthi ngabe bayenza kangcono because akumelanga ukudisturba la ama preparation abaleke kakhulu Mr Nkeho. Ukudisturba nje lento le la iqale khona kunabanye abadlali ibalimazile ngalo mzuzu just ukuthi abazange basakwazi ukuthi bahambe. And kunama cost uzile bakhulumana ngama cost abakhona kule ma preparation afana nalawo.
When you change flights it's additional cost. Even mhlambe mabehamba they were supposed to leave kusho ukuthi ihotel they are checking out. Now when they come back they're going to have to book for that night again. That's another 50,000 or whatever depending on per night how much it costs, and also to change the dates on your flight ticket is another cost as well. Could be another additional 5,000 on each person or an additional 2,000 on each person, so that costs over 100,000. The players, of course, we're thinking about them. We are playing the FIFA World Cup, and the last thing we want, already we're not the greatest teams. We saw even against Nicaragua that there is a struggle there. We are hoping the players will lift up their levels. Hopefully the coaches can find some plans to help us. I don't know what's going to happen, but it doesn't look good. So now it's made worse. Do you think that this will affect our performance?
Yeah, of course, Mr. Nkeho, because uma ungabheka ngendlela ama preparation angakhona. Ubheke nangendlela mhlambe lezi zinto basehandlisha ngakhona even ne selection ye national team uyabona ukuthi ziningi izinto engicabanga ukuthi for me azambanga kahle Mr Nkeho. For me azambanga kahle, angisho ukuthi kumele kwenzeke the way mina ngicabanga ukuthi kumele kwenzeke ngakhona, but abantu abenza umsebenzi wabo ngendlela right akumelanga ama players kumele astruggle safari nangezinto ekumele ukuthi kumele zenziwe admin. You understand? So ngicabanga ukuthi ingaba affect, but some of the players they used to be in a situation efana naleya. The likes of abadlali CAF Champions League like high.
Sure.
Uma ungabheka banokuhlangabezana nezinto esifana lezi. Orlando Pirates players, Kaizer Chiefs bayidlalile iCAF, Mamelodi Sundowns, abadlali ngicabanga ukuthi some of the players they understand izinto mazikanje. Kulula for bona ukuthi bangakwazi uadjust.
Yeah, it's an interesting one. The latest update from the minister, of course, is that the people have gone to the World Cup, except for a few people. That doesn't mean that they didn't experience what they experienced. Fortunately for them, it's 2 weeks away. Doesn't mean it's not right. It doesn't mean it's right. It doesn't mean it didn't affect them. Fortunately, it's not a match that they were playing on Wednesday, this coming Wednesday. It's 2 weeks, so they will have some time to acclimatize, but it's not an ideal preparation for the World Cup. And I'm sure that it's not a lot of nations that are going to experience the same thing. Many nations will figure themselves out, including Ghana, small nations like Curaçao, and so on and so forth. So we're not supposed to be in the spotlight for this. Do you, maybe last one on this, because we want to talk about the squad. How do you think this should be dealt with then? Because you mentioned the issue Gamokwena, and everyone was talking about that no one was dealt with. At the time, I was protecting the team manager because I was saying that we don't know, like you were saying, he doesn't have any additional pressure on him. How many jobs does he have to perform? He doesn't have an office in Flamby, about 5 to make sure things are running right. So what needs to happen? Because some people are mentioning the head, Utenicho Dan, that's not his job as a president, really. Yeah. But of course, he has to then act and fire the people that need to be fired.
Yes, thank you. Let's hire the right people. Kusafa. Ngicabanga ukuthi kumele change into eziningi kusafa. Sekukaningi man kwenza ama mistake afana nalawo. Ama mistake ngicabanga ukuthi umuntu mangabe bekawazi umsebenzi wakhe bengeka awenze. So mina isolution ekhona kusafa. Abazame Mr Nkeho ukuqasha abantu abaright bokwenza lo msebenzi. Ngicabanga ukuthi singaba right esayidini lesafa if bangasitholela abantu abaright abazoyenza lo msebenzi ngendlela right.
All right, next one. Thank you very much, Bobzit. We move on then. If you're still with us, please make sure you are subscribed, you like the video, and you comment as well. What do you think about this issue? We can talk about these issues really, but there's nothing we can do. We are fans, and our job sometimes is to support the national team. Yes, we are journalists and we are analysts, and yes, we do our part to talk about these things, but there's nothing we can do. We can't point a gun at people and fire them. Things unfold the way they unfold, and we have no bearing as to what happens there. Our job sometimes is to really, especially when it's a national team, to support them, and that's all we are limited to doing. But of course, we continue doing content, and we continue with the story of the squad. It was announced people had their say. There was a name of Thembi Nkosi-Lorch. There was a name of Brendan Peterson. There was a name like Lihlono Lusiema, not Lihlono Lusiema, I always mix them up. Ubani Libona Siema. Lihlono Lusiema is former Lesotho national captain, is a coach, of course. And the other one that people talking about was Grant Kekana. A lot of names, Tito Maswanganyi as well. My opinion was that I don't think that these players are too far from each other. I don't think that there's any UEFA Champions League player that was missed out from the Bafana national team. I think some of the people that we're talking about are people that are going to be third options anyways. So if you bring in Brendan Peterson, who deserves to be there, it's not like it's going to be the number one. So I don't know what difference does it make, but that's just an opinion. And you guys, of course, have your different opinions. If you bring in Tito, Bafana plays a system that does not really require a number 10. Yeah. So if you bring him there, he's going to be a second or third choice. If you're losing a game, you're chasing it, you can bring him on. If you bring in Lorch has not played for Bafana maybe in 5 years. He wasn't in the AFCON. He wasn't in the AFCON before when Bafana were in the semi-finals. Whoever you bring in there, we did not leave out a Messi that we've forgotten about, who is somewhere, and we did not squeeze in. These players, not that world-class. All of them are really like similar in terms of ability. That's my opinion. That's what I've been watching for the past 5-6 years with these players. So the ones that are there, whoever is left out is not a breathtaking talent, one for the other. Bobzit, your take on that squad?
Yeah, Mr. Nkeo, yeah, national team iyakhulumisa Mr. Nkeo. Iyakhulumisa and kwesinye isikhathi asinalo nathi iqiniso Mr. Nkeo, because njengoba usho labadlali uma ungabheka kunabadlali ongathi singathi bashile ucoach Hugo Broos, but uma ungabheka if beka abalethile kulaba bakhona manje if beka zo minus labo badlali besizokhuluma nakhona sithi no why ushiya lo okusala beke kudinga abadlali abayi-26 at the end of the day. So mina Mr. Nkeo into engibhekile ngocoach Hugo Broos bekuyi-project for yena. I think utreat national team nge-team edlalayo week in week out, lokho ukuthi ufuna ukuthi abe nama combination athize kuleya national team, not lento ukuthi mhlawumbe ubheke ama current performance ukuthi okay manje umdlalo othize udlala ngalendlela, because we have players abadlale kahle uma ungabheka kule season le, the likes of Abondlovu, Golden Arrows, yes, abogumede ku Richards Bay, and ubheke
ugume number 17,
exactly, ubheke noNdlovu center back yeSikhukhune United, amajita ngicabanga ukuthi badlale kahle, aboMaqokola badlale kahle, but because of lento project
le center back idlalile
uNdlovu
mabam converted to a striker
kakhulu Mr. Nkeo, it's one of ama center back engicabanga ukuthi badlale kahle kakhulu Mr. Nkeo. So but because of bheka ngekho kuleya project ya Hugo Broos, kunelinye ilanga besihlezi la sikhuluma Mr. Nkeo mina now. If you remember very well, I said to you Mr. Nkeo, Hugo Broos knows which players azohamba nabo ku World Cup.
Sure.
Lento leyo kusho kona ukuthi bekazi ukuthi abobana abadlali engizohamba nabo. Uba drophile some of the players engicabanga ukuthi bebakhona kuleya, abanye ama injuries, amanye bangatholi game time. Uma ungabheka abadlali Basading, Morena, ubheke no bathubani ntwana le.
Thapelo Morena, Fawaz Basading. I remember Basading once upon a time was in the squad.
Uye ku team efana ne lo bathini le I Orlando Pirates kunabadlali ngicabanga ukuthi bekumele kwamanje angaba mdonsile emidlalo ofana noCM, but abanye ubheka ama combination mhlawumbe ukuthi okay ngifuna kube ne combination kule national team, abanye abadlali baphila ukuthi ngomubi.
Just on UCM, sorry to cut you Bob said. Just on UCM for example, talented player is going to be a future Bafana player, for sure. If you bring him, we already know who's going to be one center back.
Yeah,
that's Mbogazi.
Yes.
Now the question is, do you play Oletu Makanya, who's playing in the MLS Nombogazi, or do you play him with Ime Okon? They've already played together at the AFCON.
Yes.
Bubai too. So he's always just been looking for a partner, Gabane Gambogazi. So there's no space in that center back because one of them is already there, Umbogazi, left center back. Now, what do you pay him with? Ngezana? No, he's not there anymore. Imo Okon, he was at the AFCON. So even if Samfago Siema, it would be with an eye for the future. So that's why I keep on saying that everyone that we mention is not a world-class UEFA Champions League player who was left out. All of them are similar ability. Abo Okoni, Abo Makanya, Bombogazi, whoever that you bring in there. I mean, I don't see any player. I don't know when Abob Tukuti Bonaganjan. There's no player who was left out there. Maybe Reina Kalanga if he was not there because he's one of the top goal scorers. But nah, he's not playing a Sundowns. But we would have been fighting for him because he scored 10 or 12 goals this season, or even 14 goals in all competitions this season. If he wasn't there, then we could complain about him because he scored the goals. But I don't see anyone who's obvious except for Brendan Peterson. Nah, yeah. Also, he was only going to be number 3.
Yes, thank you. Ukhuluma iqiniso uma ungabheka those strikers abathethe uthethe 3 of the best strikers in this country. Uma ngithi ngiyabheka mina lamajita lapha wonke yiwo ama strike ngicabanga ukuthi so far la South Africa.
I don't see omunye or unfair Simshile. I would agree with you in that point. That,
yes.
Of course, Makgopa, there's always a question mark in terms of his ability, but he's always been part of that national team, and they like him for the dressing room, and that coach loves him.
Because of the system.
Yes, exactly. That coach loves him for that system. I'm not saying he's a wow striker. Of course, even at Pirates, he's not one of the top goal scorers, but Makgopa was always there in the African Cup of Nations. But for example, Lomtitalo Udion, where Golden Arrows is a top goal scorer in the country, 14 goals. If he was a South African and they left him out, then we would have a challenge. Uguti, no, but why would you leave out someone with 14 goals?
Yeah.
But there's no striker. The next one after him, I think, is Ikram Reinas, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
Ikram Reinas. Then Reinas is there. I think Kropla is also in that picture as well, but is injured and has not been featuring Bafana Bafana. So I don't think there's someone that we left out that 100% deserves it because he's been doing well.
Yes, Mr. Nkeo. I think enye into ekumele sibheke Mr. Nkeo kumele ukuthi singene deep ubheke kokuqala the philosophy esebenziswa ucoach. Because uma ungabheka leya selection, yes mina njengoba ngisho ngithi ngabona Abu Bright Ndlovu ngibona uHugo Broos angabasebenzisi ngithi no why angababiza abanikeze le chance kunabadlali besicabanga ukuthi bazoba khona abanye bashila abumkwana bebalapha kuleya team njengabo Nyiko Mobi bebakhona kuleya team ya Hugo Broos so yabona ukuthi uye wa replace ngabanye abadlali so we must check leya philosophy yaka coach ukuthi ucoach udlala kanjani ucoach umuntu okudlala ngama winger most of the time and udinga ama winger ne speed. So lawo mawinga lawo udinga amawinga azokwazi Mr Nkeu ukuthi basebenzise space most of the time mangabe ama wing back we opponent ayakhuphuka. So before simjudge kumele sibheke also nangendlela adlala ngakhona. Namanje ngasho ngathi siyo defender nga 8 players. Ubheka ama defender wathethe manje because uyazi ukuthi the quality engiyodlala nayo yalama opponent ayidingi ukuthi mina ngaya pound for pound kuleya team. Idinga ukuthi sidlala only 3 games. I-draw ne-winning angiqualifyisa kuya ngokuthi mhlawumbe le 4 point ngiqualify kule group
even ne-win one because it's 8 teams that about number 3 but about 8 so even one win could be enough.
Exactly. So ubheka into eziningi mhlawumbe lezi thina esingaziboni is like introduce some of the players ababuya badlala abroad is because of siyodlala nama team abanye abadlali badlala kulawo maligi lawo so kumenza ukuthi kube lula for yena ukuthi at least because Mr Nkeo team kumele be balance. Njengamanje uma ngakhuluma ngoBrendan he was good kule season le. He did everything
he deserves the call.
So but uma ungabheka uyoba mhlawumbe i-third ngendlela ngibona khona abe a third goalkeeper Bafana. So obvious it's not easy for a third goalkeeper to play. Maybe if kuna ama red card early or ama injuries but most of the time abo goalkeeper number 3 Mr Nkeo abayitholi.
They never play.
So uyabheka ukuthi okay kuye no Gos. Kunezinto mhlawumbe uGos anazo yena maybe anganazo or uChaine anazo or ena anganazo so you take that player maybe umunye uyobooster imorale dressing room you will never know so kumele ubalance leya team Mr Nkeo if kunomdlalo ozonginikeza something kwabanye abadlali motivate ama teammates wakhe then ngizomshiyelana while ngibheka ukuthi okay laba bo2 lo obvious angeke adlale it's like now ungaquestiona iselection yaka Cross how many left back esinawo lapha Bafana manje yes abovuyo litlapa nabo le outlet dlala ku Stellenbosch abakaze mhlawumbe bathole umdaka abakaze bathole leyo chance ukuthi angabasebenzisa.
I think that one you could actually like it's a coin toss to say it can either be Cross, it can be either umdaka or Litlapa. Actually those are actually interesting options but but they're not going to play including Cross.
You understand?
Unless there's an injury kuModiba and then they try to put some Mbogazi bampushele lapha ya uKabini because they did Cameroon uKabini was playing as left back and then egcineni ngafika kuCross again it's another we're now talking about third choice xoxa ngama third choice you know and that's not even a debatable thing it is. Let's move the conversation along Bob said kule ndaba yokuthi when you look at the Friday game 0-0 no opportunities created free penalty really that we missed. Nicaragua is almost at the level of Eswatini in terms of AMA rankings and also even the way that they played. They were not interested to score a goal. For you, looking at the squad plus the performance of the last game, are Bafana ready for African Cup, World Cup?
Yeah, for me, Mr. Nkeo, sibonakala ngama underdogs kuleya group. But I think Bafana is ready because if you look at abadlala balapha, asibheke nje labadlala ababuya ku-Orlando Pirates, iqeda kuwina iBetway now. We have got, I think you have 8 players from Orlando Pirates. You have 8 players from Mamelodi Sundowns, abaqeda ukuwina i-CAF Champions League. And abanye abadlala ababuya abroad, abakhona kuleya team. Nabanye abaperforme kahle locally. So ngicabanga ukuthi we are ready. Leya game esiyidlalile Mr. Nkeo ye friendly. Ibuya from a dressing room. You can't go all out while we are preparing for Club World Cup. World Cup, because coach will tell you, guys, let's go and play safe. Because ngicabanga ukuthi kunala kumele sithole khona ama injuries. Wonke umuntu ngimfuna bekhona eteamini yami. So ngicabanga ukuthi enye into futhi ukhumbule ukuthi our preparation abo Mexico bawabhekile bafuna ukubona ukuthi idlala kanjani
like,
because some of the coaches bakubhekana nge-warm up ukuthi okay ngicela ungicheckele i-warm up yale opponent ukuthi i-warm up kanjani, then bakhona ukubona ukuthi how are you going to play kuleyo game leyo. So now lama preparation la ukhumbule ukuthi if uzoya all out uzosithola ukhipha yonke lento kumele ukuthi uyoyikhipha ku first game yakho and i-opponent ibhekile ukuthi okay these guys bafuna ukudlala ngale ndlela, but now angeke ba understand ukuthi uyodlala kanjani. So mina ngicabanga ukuthi leya game esenkeo akusi game ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi ngizojaja ama game we-World Cup ngaleya game because it was a friendly game. So for me ngicabanga ukuthi bafana i-ready Mr. Nkeo ukuthi compete. Ngoba ngisho ngithi labadlala balapha banayo le character, labadlala balapha that winning mentality banayo. I think 90% yabadlala balapha they've got that winning mentality because by winning my team in.
In other words, then you're endorsing them to say they will get out of the group.
I think so, Mr. Nkeo. Into abayidingayo phela, they need our support. Just leave politics aside and support the boys. Ngicabanga ukuthi if bangathola support from abalandeli kule country, I think amajita angenza kahle because if siyobheka lokho ekwenziwa mhlawumbe before kudlalwe enkundleni kuzosenza ukuthi egcineni singabonisi support kula majita. Laba benza ama mistake wabo, but thina let's support the boys and basenzele umsebenzi.
You are a Sundown supporter.
Yeah.
Let me throw that question to you. Does it smell like, does it look like, does it feel like Cardoso could go to Al Ahly? And why would he go there after winning the CAF Champions League with Sundowns?
Maybe Junior uze mina Mr. Nkeo uma ngizoyikhuluma last ngithi ngina that feeling yokuthi ama team afana nabo Al Ahly bangathatha bo coach abafana nalaba because babheka ukuthi uyidlala kanjani CAF Champions League.
So okwamanje Bobzit uthi angahamba umqeqeshi. Nawe bewunayo leyo suspicion ukuthi if he wins it he could go to a North.
Yeah, mina into engibhekile Mr. Nkeo ukuthi ama team ase North i-CAF Champions League kubo into enkulu kakhulu. So ama team afana nabo Al Ahly uma ungabheka bheka ama signing wabo kulabo coach. Bayeke bathatha ucoach Pitso, bathatha ucoach Rivero from Orlando Pirates. So ungacabanga ukuthi bangamthatha uCardoso aye ku Al Ahly, but now the question is Al Ahly that CAF Champions League
abaqualifyanga and basa they're still appealing it.
Yeah.
So bazamindlela ye back door yokungena ku Champions League. Maybe after that's settled then they can go for the Cardoso they want.
Yeah, and logo sesizandleni zaka Cardoso Mr. Nkeo ukuthi
you're supposed to look at this differently. You are a big team, you are an African winner.
Yes.
If you can lose your coach to Al Ahly, kusho ukuthi uyintwana ku Al Ahly. You're supposed to look at it from that perspective. Even the Pirates now, when they take the treble winning or the double winning coach, they're supposed to say shit. That means angeke sifike kuleli zinga le Al Ahly. I know ukuthi babhatala ngamadola and I know they are the biggest team in Africa forever and ever and ever. But when you're fighting against them, you're supposed to keep your coaches. Already you've lost Coach Pitso. That's why Coach Pitso and Sundowns were in court because of these bonuses, because he left them for Al Ahly.
Yeah.
So now if you lose another coach, it means nihlala niyintwana ku Al Ahly.
Yoba intwana Mr. Nkeo ngenxa yamashankuro. If coach ufuna ukuhamba babeka imali uzawuthini Mr. Nkeo?
But do you not have a contract? I don't know what is the contract situation with Coach Cardoso.
Yeah, I think
because you can remind someone ukuthi una 2 years asele, and that's it. That's all you need to do.
Yeah, but Mr. Nkeo ekugcineni uma ngabe coach athi ucela umrelease. obvious kuzama nama mistake azoyenzeka eteamini akasekho happy eteamini uzomgcina kanjani ucoach ngathi ngicela ungirelease ngihambe uyabona ukuthi uyosebenza but akasekho happy because ucelile ukuthi ngicela ungirelease so that is why ngithi it's difficult but for Sundowns I think Mr Nkeo I ready ukuluza ucoach Cardoso ucoach Cardoso
Do you have that feeling that it might be the end of the road?
but Mr Nkeo asibheke ukuthi Sundowns manje iyo compete kuma trophy awungaki this season coach Cardoso
There's so many bonuses. Super Cup.
ufuna adlala i-Super Cup kumele adlala i-Intercontinental understand so ngicabanga ukuthi zonke lezi zinto lezo zingamenza ukuthi no man i-Al Ahly iyozidlala lezi zinto mina I'm going to play ngucompete kulama trophy afana nalawo and lawo ma trophy lawo mangathi uyabheka you understand so ngicabanga ukuthi Mr Nkeo uzoyibheka kaningi but it's not easy man it's not easy ukuthi angahamba the way ngibona ngakhona I don't know because football ayinaqiniso ngibona na the way yajabule ngakhona the way yadlala leya friendly ne Leipzig ubonile ukuthi ucoach uhappy that is why besiceda ukuyisho manje ukuthi Cardoso can play the style of play Sundowns if he's not under pressure
When it's the Club World Cup and the friendly matches, he plays that.
Exactly, but if ufuna Cardoso win the CAF Champions League and expect Cardoso to play piano and shine, it's difficult because in CAF Champions League there's a way ekumele udlale ngayo to win ama games. Must think you not wonke ama games kumele udlale the way u approach ama game ngendlela different. Sometimes udlalela ukuthi grind ama results, but we as supporters we don't understand lokho. Into esidingayo ukuthi no akasadlali the way Sundowns idlala ngakhona. But for me Mr Nkeo uCardoso ngicabanga ukuthi iSundowns kumele imgcine Mr Nkeo. If sifuna ukubona esinye star ku Sundowns ngicabanga ukuthi yilo coach okumele simgcine because una 3 ama season eAfrica una ama final awu 3 uluze awu 2 awina A1 so uthini ngalo coach ngicabanga ukuthi is the right coach ngicabanga ukuthi Mr Nkeo angafaka esinye star kulela jersey le Mamelodi Sundowns.
The one thing that can come back to haunt you is the Cardoso must go. Amanye amadoda walibala. He will remember that when the going was tough, he had no friends in South Africa. Namlahlela ngotshwala lapho umngani wakhe. You see, like into zebhola zinjalo. Like it might even be that I just wanted to win this thing. Ithatheni ngiyahamba man.
Mr Nkeo, uma ngabe baneqiniso abalandeli. Mina I see le dance ukuthi ngizojive ngiphinde ngisishayile izandla. Kumele basho ukuthi no man, uCardoso senze mistake. Mr Nkeo, especially balandeli beSundowns bekumele balene kulento le. Na coach Pitso okwenzeka ngalendlela. So akumelanga ukuthi siloko senza ama mistakes wa repeat. Let's give a chance to management. Iyenze lokhu mhlambe ecabanga ukuthi uright. Mina njengomlandeli ithi ngenzo wami umsebenzi. You understand? And we are like at Sundowns njengoba ngikutshela ngithi bheka abalandeli beSundowns those are the only supporters abathola ama benefits kuleya team. But mina ngithi abazame Mr Nkeo ukuthi no man ababe calm sometimes. I know it's difficult because abanye abantu kuningi esikwenzayo ngeteam. Abanye siphila mhlawumbe ngawo lama team kuma betting so bayangidisappoint uyangiunderstand. But lokho kungakwenza ukuthi ugcina uluza lo lathando le team.
Sure.
Support the team Mr Nkeo. Ngicabanga ukuthi manje bakhona
Okay, let's close it. Next season, Cardoso is still there?
Yeah, for me, Cardoso sasekhona Mr Nkeo next season.
All right, nice one. Thank you very much, Bobzit. Thank you very much to everyone who's still here. Please make sure you subscribe. Comment, do you think Cardoso will still be a Mamelodi Sundowns coach next season? Yes or no? Tell us what you think. Thank you so much for being with us. It will be our last show really in a long time before the opening of the World Cup. Enjoy yourselves. It's been a long season. Thank you very much for watching us.
Thank you.
For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.